In the vast, sun-scorched grasslands, a shadow moves with purpose. Broad shoulders, muscles rippling under a coat of thick hide, horns curved like ancient weapons. This is no ordinary beast. This is the bull, raw, unfiltered power on 4 legs. But the bull is more than a symbol of strength. It's a creature of complexity, hierarchy, and raw instinct. In the wild, the bull lives in social groups, where dominance is everything. Young bulls challenge older ones in head-to-head battles, not for bloodshed, but for honor, and the right to lead. Every clash echoes centuries of evolution, a dance of dominance perfected through survival. Yet, beyond their wild homes, bulls find themselves on a very different stage, one far from the quiet wilderness. Welcome to the rodeo. In the American West, bull riding isn't just a sport. It's a tradition. 8 seconds. That's all a rider needs to prove their courage. But for the bull, it's instinct. Every leap, every twist, a display of sheer defiance. These animals aren't angry. They're simply born to be wild. But even in the chaos of the arena, respect remains. These bulls are not villains. They're athletes, trained, protected, and often more famous than the riders themselves. Back in the wild, the bull resumes its role, not as an entertainer, but as a guardian. A leader, a provider, its presence keeps balance within the herd, guiding the group through shifting seasons and uncertain terrains. Every hoofprint tells a story, of challenge, of strength, of survival. The bull is a force of nature. Fierce, proud, and unyielding. From the wild plains to roaring stadiums, one truth remains unchanged: the spirit of the bull can never be tamed.